Hello guys and welcome back to all my Psych tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Modern Warfare 3 Warzone error code 0x00001338. And this is basically an error code where like the game just crashes. And yeah, so in order to fix this issue, what you can do is, if you have Call of Duty through Steam, what I recommend you do is right click on Steam, go ahead and go over to properties, and from the properties tab, what you want to do is you want to go over to the compatibility tab. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to check two boxes. Now these two boxes, the first one is going to be run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and the second box is going to be run this program as an administrator. Now once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK, and then go ahead and close out the tab. And now open up Steam and then open up Call of Duty, and you will notice that the issue has been solved. And you can also just restart your PC as well, because that always does, fix issues as well. And it's a very simple fix. So once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.